things that you never knew about Starlink. Hello and welcome back to another video here on Future Focus. Most of you know Elon Musk as one of the richest people in the world right now. Many also know him for his electric car company, Tesla, and others for his space exploration venture SpaceX. But you may not remember him for his satellite venture Starlink, which sells internet services across the globe. In this video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about Elon Musk's latest venture to get internet to every person across the globe. Stay tuned and watch the video right till the end, for this is going to be an interesting one. Starlink is growing rapidly in 2021. In February, the company of Elon Musk disclosed that it serves more than 10,000 customers. This project is expanding pre-orders to more potential customers as well. The service's main priority is to serve people without access to a high-speed internet connection. SpaceX expects Starlink to reach global serviceability sometime between September to December, but the regional availability depends on regulatory approval. Elon Musk told an audience at a Mobile World Congress in June this year that this satellite internet venture would be available worldwide except at the North and South Poles starting from this August. This widespread internet service has also been into many controversies since members of the scientific community have raised issues regarding the impact of Starlink's low Earth orbit satellites in night sky visibility. Starlink's competitors, such as Viasat, HughesNet, and Amazon's Project Kuiper, have already started to slow Elon Musk down by prompting many regulatory joustings. So what is Starlink? Starlink is the network of orbital satellites, which is a division with SpaceX, which was developed in 2015, with initial prototype satellites, which were launched into orbit in 2018. SpaceX deployed nearly 1,000 Starlink satellites into orbit successfully. Early this year, as part of Starlink's mission of 2021, SpaceX launched 60 satellites from Kennedy Space Center using a launchable Falcon 9 orbital rocket. Till the recent launch on May 26, a total of 1,737 have both satellites in the constellation. Starlink services. As of now, the connection is limited to the Northwest US, parts of Canada, and the UK, but this is going to grow very soon in all parts of the world. The coverage is now focused between 45 and 53 degrees north latitude. Musk, in an interview at Mobile World Congress early this year, said that Starlink will hit worldwide availability, except at the North and South Poles starting this August. But in June, SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell said Starlink would reach global serviceability sometime this fall. He added, "We have successfully deployed 1,800 or so satellites, and once all those satellites reach their operational orbit, we will have continuous global coverage, so that should be like September." Starlink and its connectivity. Like other internet providers, it also wants to sell its internet access across the globe, especially in rural areas. The website of the internet company reads, "Starlink is ideally suited for areas of the globe where connectivity has typically been a challenge, unbounded by traditional ground infrastructure, and can deliver high-speed broadband internet to locations where access has been unreliable or completely unavailable." To avail of the service by just setting up a small satellite dish at your home to receive signals. It also has an app facilitating Android and iOS users to help customers pick the best location and position to receive signals. This is done using augmented reality. Speed. The website of the internet company says, users can expect to see data speeds varying from 50 to 150 megabits per second and latency from 20 to 40 milliseconds in most locations over the next several months. Compare that to average internet speeds in the US, which is 42.86 Mbps at the moment. As more satellites are launched, more ground stations installed, and networking software is improved, data speed, latency, and uptime will improve dramatically. To this, Musk also tweeted in February that he is expecting the service to double its top speed to 300 Mbps by the end of 2021. Cost. The cost of the service as of now is $99 per month, plus taxes and fees, along with an initial payment of $500 for the mountable satellite dish and router. Starlink, with its Better Than Nothing beta program, takes pre-orders from customers willing to join the service. The company says it will take orders on a first-come, first-served basis, and so orders may also take 6 months to avail of the service as well. Most people are wondering as $99 per month is huge, even though the speed is less than other fiber internet connections. But to this must-bets that this service is worth the money. The company also said that it has no plans to add speed nor pricing tiers as of now, but the $500 upfront cost of the receiver dish may be summed down within a few years. According to the early reports from Fast Company and CNBC indicate that Starlink's first customers are satisfied, even though the service was not providing connectivity during the beta trial period. Why satellites and not fiber cable? Even though fiber optic cables are much faster than satellites, they can reach people of underserved long before fiber could ever do. The recent FCC filings also suggest that it could result in increasing phone services. Musk in 2018 said that it could help SpaceX by generating revenue to fund long-held company projects to establish a base on Mars. Shotwell, speaking about the company's vision for Starlink, said, "If you send 1 million people to Mars, you better provide some way for them to communicate. I don't think the people who go to Mars are going to be satisfied with some terrible old-fashioned radios, but they will want their iPhones or Androids on Mars." Issues with Starlink. Now, Starlink seems like a grand project with a lot of promises, but it is not without its issues. As Starlink's FAQ reads, "We recommend installing Starlink in a location that avoids snow buildup and other obstructions from blocking the field of view. Heavy rain or wind can affect your satellite internet connection, potentially leading to slower speeds or a rare outage. As you can see, extreme weather will render the internet service useless." Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.